Hey lads, TechScanning here. So if you are even a bit into smartphone gaming, you most probably know the Red Magic smartphones which are mainly meant for gaming, just like the Asus ROG Phone series. So after the success of Red Magic 8 series that features an all-screen display with no punch hole or notch design and transparent looking back panel, now the company is planning to launch its even enhanced performance variant, the Red Magic 8s Pro. It is shaping up to be a real beast gaming smartphone because of the high-performance Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset that will be the overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Previously, this overclocked version was exclusive to the Samsung as we seen on the Galaxy S23 series, but it looks like not anymore. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 has a higher 3.36 GHz speed instead of the 3.20 GHz. Further, the GPU frequency also got a bump from 680 MHz to 719 MHz. So, the fresh details are suggesting that the Red Magic 8s Pro might be the first non-Samsung phone to offer this enhanced chipset. According to a shared image by the renowned tipster Digital Chat Station, shows the live look of the Antutu Score of the Red Magic 8s Pro. And as we can see, it achieved a staggering combined Antutu score of 1.7 millions, which not only far exceeds the current Antutu topper Red Magic 8 Pro Plus, but also surpassing its competitors, including the top-of-the-line Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, which has around 1.35 million scores. So there is nearly 400,000 points difference. And with that, no doubt the Red Magic 8s Pro is going to be the contender for the title of most powerful gaming phone. Moving forward, the Red Magic 8s Pro is not only a powerhouse in terms of processing capabilities, but also in charging speed department. It is rumored to sport an astonishing 170 watt super fast charging speed. For reference, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus offered 165 watt wired charging speed. As per the tipster, the 8s Pro will be equipped with an active cooling fan that is of course crucial to get the maximum out of the overclocked chipset. And additionally, we may see several performance and system optimization features good for a gaming phone. Anyway, we may hear more details on this super gaming smartphone. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.